Good morning, peeps. It's Thursday today, a different day for me today. I'm at East Bilney Lakes again in an open match, and we're on bridges, and I'll show you bridges. There you go. This is peg 4. I don't think that's in today. There we are. Look, you can see it's called bridges because there's 2 bridges over there. Last time I was here, I was right round that side on peg 35. There's a big moat house there, a little boathouse. There's a carp lake just in here. You carp anglers, look. Here we are. That's a good look at the lake, and I'll obviously show you the rest of the lake when I get down there, when I draw my peg shortly. Right, so I'll be back to you in a little while when we do the draw. Right then, peeps, let's go and see what number we can get. Morning, Mark.
Morning, mate.
What's his name? I can't remember his name. That's Pete, look. Morning, Pete.
Morning.
Let's go and stick a hand in that old bag and see what number we can get, shall we?
I'll get in front of you because I know I've been near a flyer.
Ah, yeah. Oh, mine is always a flyer. I can soon mess that up though, mate. Oh, did you?
It's all right. I'll have last peg, by the way, whatever's left.
Right, here we go. Let's stick the hand in out. Here we go. Let's see what I can get out of here. I'll take the middle one. Oh, let it go.
44. That's a waggler peg.
Ah, right, okay. Here we are, 44, and he said that's a waggler peg. Right, catch you on the peg. Right, peeps, I've got 2 lines set up already. I'm on, as you see, I'm on peg 44 on bridges. The bridges are over that side. Right, I've got a, because that's windy, I've got a 0.5 stubby slim, and it is very nearly 7 feet deep. That's a good 6'6". And then on the other one, I've got as a top kitten 3. That's the next one. And that is this one. That's another matrix float this time. No, it isn't. That's Preston's. That's the Chianti again. But that's top kitten 3, and that's 6 foot. Right, down here. And the other one is 14 metres over there. Okay, so I've got those 2 set up there. Let's have a look at the bait tray. Just get the cable out of the way. I'll show you the bait tray, which is very simple. I've got some 4mm expanders. I've got maggots, and I've got micros, and they're soaked in clear sensate. All right, so that's what we got today, and I've got more micros if I need it. Right, I've now got to put my nets in. I'll catch you in a little while when they blow the whistle or shout. Right, I think Lee should be shouting any minute now. I'm going to try my top kitten 3 first. So I'll just put a few micros in. Get my glasses to put my bait on. Just so I do it properly. It's really deep, 6'6" that is. I'm on a 16. Right-ho, right in, all in. Right, here we go then. I'll top and tail a red maggot, 2 red maggots, so top and tail them. Got to be careful doing that so I don't put my nets, because that's such a deep. I'm using that shadow over there so I can see my yellow tip floats. Let's get them in there. Right. Excuse me. Right, get these off out the way. And let's settle that one down. I took a number 11 off just so I can, because I'd got that dotted in really calm water, and that's dotted so low. So what I've done is let it come up a few, about 5mm. That's better, like that. That's got a few mil showing now, because if not, that you can't see it when it's rippling. It's got wind right to left here. And that's reasonably strong, so when I go out on my 14-metre line, I hope that's not too strong. We'll see what today brings, shall we? Let you run for a few seconds longer. I had to put an extension on my line because that's, like I say, it was 6 feet long rig I made up, and it's 6'6" deep, so I had to put an extension on it. Hope I don't upset things, but let's just move that. Let that settle that side. I don't think that's drifting. You know, I've got a little bit too much on the drop now, but I may alter that if I get a minute. I'll have to make a minute, won't I? Just take a few seconds to take the loop off, cut it and re-loop it. Only take a few seconds, but there we go. That's what it is, isn't it? Right, let's hopefully do what I normally do. Turn the camera off and then I get fish instantly. So let's try that. We're in on my 14 metre line. That was about, I don't know, just over 5 minutes when I said I'll turn the camera off, and I went on the 14 metre line. And we're in. Take it nice and steady on the first fish. I'll break it down twice, I think that'd be better. Lovely old jubbly. Come on, let's get in. Nice little mirror carp. About a pound. He liked a single maggot. Anything a pound or above, we got to put in with a net. It's fair enough, isn't it? Good start. That's a pound on the clicker, come on. Set that, I should have set that earlier, that's 1 pound on it. And that was on a single red maggot. Look at that, it's not touched, it's still wriggling. Let's keep that on, save a few seconds, won't it? What I was doing there, I had a pinch of maggots. And then it's got an extension on it, but I didn't fill it right up. It's about half full, but it would be full if it weren't for the extension. I just put the extension on because I'm not very smooth and I'll only spill them. Don't want to do that. Let's get out again. Watched Andy May this morning, he said keep it smooth. Nice and smooth. That's better. Lighten my legs. What I've done is I laid the rig to the right, and then so it's out of the way, and so when I turn it over and empty the pot, it's not getting tangled with the rig. Let's give it a little tap, roll it back over, and we're in again. You can see that? That's where I am. I'm using that shadow of that tree in front of me, so I can see my yellow tip. Alright, you can see that. Right. Went in with another one a minute after I turned you off. Well, it's less than that, it's probably around 30 seconds. Only another little one, I think, but that's alright, I don't mind. It's an F1 this time. Nice little F1. Whoop, come here, slippery. Nice one, isn't he? That's another pound. Do well. Good start. How long we've been going, just to let you know, that's how long it took to get them going. Well, it's now 26 minutes in, so go away. 26 minutes in and I've got 2 fish. That's not bad, is it? Right, if I'm catching fish like that, I'll repeat it. Just a few maggots. And just half fill the pot with micros, don't overdo it. See, it's not quite full. Just down bit there somewhere. So this bit would be full, but the extension is just for me. Right, let's get back out. Here we are with number 3. Hopefully, he's come right to the surface. Keep him down a bit. See, my next door neighbour is in as well. It's another little F1. Just so you can see, look at that, look, right in the top lip, lovely. Lovely, £3. I think this one's just a little bigger. It really pulled me to the left and I was coming back. No, I just think I had a initial really hard first run. It pulled a lot of elastic out and went down to the left. Oh yes, a lovely one. Another F1. Hook's come out in the net. It's a better one, isn't it? The hook's in the net. I'll give that a pound. I can't give it £1.50. That ain't quite £1.50, I don't think. Anyway, and again, as long as they keep coming, hooks come out in the net. That's only a small one, that'll be right. Doing well now. Keep going. Oh, maggots untouched, I can go back out. Oh. We're still going. I've had 2 more since. I didn't film those 2 small F1s. They're all about £1 each. I've got £7 on my clicker now, so I've got 7 fish. This one's hugged the bottom a little bit more. Yes, a much better fish. That's a mirror. Lovely fish. Look at that. Right in the top lip, lovely. Look, I'll just show you one. Lovely fish. That's good £2, that is. I'll put £2 down for that. £9 now. Oh, lovely, they're getting bigger. Right there, look. Oh, right in the centre. Brilliant. Look at that. That's a good 2.5, I reckon, but I'll just put 2 down for it. to £11. Get off there. Let's get back out. Well, here we are again. I think I've got a ghosty something. Ghosty F1 is it, or blondie F1 they call them. Hook come out and it's got him in the tail. Sorry, mate. Oh, got a leech on you, mate. I'll get off him. Lovely little fish. That's a good £2. £14 so far. We're doing all right. We got a proper ghosty. Look at that, that's a proper ghosty, isn't it? Lovely. I could see him about 3 foot down in the water. Proper ghosty, as we say in Suffolk, proper ghosty. Still that's going alright. Oh, hang on. Yeah, doing alright. Single maggot still. And still feeding. The old maggots and bless you. Somebody's sneezing well over there. Still there's some nice people about. I see some new friends who are subscribed, so that's even better. Come up and had a chat. Still out at 14 metres. I tried my Top Kitten 3 down there a little while ago. Put a pot of micros in. Sat there for 10 minutes on that. Nothing, so at least I've fed it again. And I'll go back on it again in a little while. Give it another look. See if you can get them close in. Obviously be a bit quicker to get them. Blowing wind. Had a weird one a little while ago. Well, I've had it twice now. The wind is coming obviously from right to left. And a little while ago it's doing that and coming that way. My pole was like, my pole was bent twice. That's weird. Never mind. Oh, you can see what we got now. Unfortunately. We're still going, that's the main thing. Still catching the little F1s. Hookers come out in the net, that's what I'm catching. Give him a £1. £17 I'm on now. So we aren't doing too bad. Now we're in again and another shower. Got him. A little bit better one this time. That's better. Lovely fish. Yeah, it's the first one I've got to put in with the net. I have to take a load in. Whoop, 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 whoop. Because of the landing it. Yeah, I'm going to give him £2. Right, let's put that back because hopefully it'll stop raining soon. They've only been little showers, you know, but it's just the camera and the sound equipment that get damaged, and the fishery here now at East Bilney, is open. If you contact Lee Carver on his Facebook page, and you can book up matches. Alright, so he told us this morning he's now available for booking matches and stuff, so you can contact him. There's day tickets as well. There's 2 or 3 went up there this morning while we were waiting to do the draw. Alright, just try not to get tangled up here. A good pinch of maggots and micros, still doing exactly the same. Just a good pinch of maggots and a good pinch of micros in every put out. Right, could I ask you to be very kind and take a few seconds of your time to subscribe to my channel somewhere here. It's free to do so, and it'll help an old man out in match fishing. Plus I will do the odd pleasure day or practice day if you like. Thank you very much. I decided to go on the tip. I kept seeing fish top right about a yard off that bank, so I put 2 red maggots and a white maggot on, and here we are. Got to try these things, ain't you? Nice little mirror carp. Come on, my little beauty. Lovely. Lovely little fish. That's a good pound, that one. 20 pounds I'm on now. Right. 2 red mags, alright. I'll just top it off with a white one again. I have fired 4mm pellets out. That's just a Matrix 17.5 gram lead. It won't hit that long either. Good enough. It's put a little tiny bend in it. Don't think it mattered what sort of bend it had on at that time. Whoa. There we are. Then what I do is just get a pinch of 4mm. That's what I've done. I've just done a couple of 2 or 3 of those. Just do a couple for now. Just like that. Just wait. Right. Well, I just said to you, I'll bang it out. And that's gone round again. I think I'm in the nursery still. Yeah, it's only a tiny one. Got more fighting than bigger ones. Little tiny ones. So we're getting in now, aren't we? Got some big old helicopters going about here now and again. Now we've got an aeroplane, if you can hear me, and I've got another fish. There's a big air base not far from me, I think. So if we keep catching like this, I'll be alright. Hookers come out in the net. nicely, another pound. Here we are again on the tip. Feels a little bit bigger this time. It's about 2:15, so we only got 3/4 of an hour. Feels a bit better this time. Lovely. Yes, much bigger. Not massive, but bigger than I've been catching. Yep. We don't want to come up. Come on, my booty. Got him. Yes, the biggest one today. Like I say, he's not massive, but lovely. Get the leech off him. It's around his fins, right in the bottom lip. Look at that. Lovely. Woohoo! That's a good 3 pound, that is. Beautiful job. Woohoo! Right, let me bait up right quick and I'll show you where I'm going. I'll put 2 reds and a white maggot on. Won't be a second with you. Then get a white one. Whether that make any difference or not, I don't know, but that's what I've been doing. Right, here we go. I'm clipped up, so I can't go too far. Let's make sure you can see where I'm going. Just there. Sink the line. Lovely. Tighten up. Only have a tiny bend in it. Just like that, just a tiny bend, that's all. 3. It's 25 pounds now. Then get a pinch of 4 mils when doing this. Just scattering a few out there, not many. Just 2 or 3 of those, like that. When the wind dropped, the wind has really got strong now, so that's what I've done. The pole at 14 metres, bending and bending it, keep moving it around, so presentation weren't good enough. I've been feeding the swim in case I go back out again. Then what I've done is just tighten it a bit until the lead come loose. That's what I done last time, just pulled it back 6 inches to straighten the line out. And then leave it. Last time I'd done that, I just pulled it about 6 or 8 inches this way. Boom, it went. Perhaps that's just coming in slightly deeper because I think it's coming down off the bank. Well, that's my theory anyway. That worked last time, so I'll do it this time. It's not cold. That was 10 degrees. Whoa, 10 degrees when I got here this morning. Might have changed from being 3. Still, let's get in there. Right, I think we've got about 1 minute left. Then they'll shout. I got them 4 right quick on the tip and I ain't had a touch since. I had a little one of those and that was it, just a little tiny tap. And that was it. I'm afraid I went out on, I had another go on the pole, 14 metre pole. I couldn't hold it. It's just bending so much and you got to keep that float still. And I just couldn't get it. That's bending too much, and because you fight against the bend and that wind stop and you move the float. Didn't think. That's it. That's all out. Right. Well, I've got 25 on the clicker. Let's see how close I am today. All right, so I'll catch you at the weigh-in. Right, let's see what weight I've got. I've got 25 on the clicker. Hopefully I'm under. But matey next door, he's got 47 pound odd, so I ain't got nowhere near that.
Leave them there.
Oh, scales gone funny. Swear at it. I better check yours again, Ember. Oh. I'll cut this out. Battery's gone in the scales. Right, I'll start again in a second. Right, new battery in the scales. Let's have a look. Be nice and careful with them. Where are we? This end. That's still not gone right, is it? No, I'm terrible at this, mate, sorry.
First time weighing in?
No. You'd think, oh.
Yeah, that's alright, nothing to get out of it. Keep doing.
Yeah. My bad. Net emptying. Can never seem to get that right.
23.8.
23.8. I overclicked this time. Right, I'll show you the sheet at the end. Okay, catch you in a little while. Well, peeps, here's the sheet I promised you. Here we go. Lee drew peg 8 and he left it to the last one in the bag and he got peg 8 and he got 90 pounds. Second was 47 pounds next to me. You can see my measly little weight here. Down here 23.8, but there you go, that's how it is. It's still winter, I know it's warmed up, but you've got to give the fish time to warm up. There you are, there's the weights, you can see. Not a bad match, really. It's just got too strong for me to hold at 14 metres, as I said. Right, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.